pleasure for me to have all of you here together to talk about clips. This first part of our conferences, we are going to have two keynote speakers that talk or introduce our domain of cloud, because clips talked about clouds and public services.
We pulled down, put together with members of the other partners working on these other projects, which we would like to say has made a tiny dent somewhere.
For the development of the Italian public digital system. This is under final review. It's a summary, of course. It's every slide.
Engineering Informatica is the coordinator, and we have several partners coming from FIVE and Clips cloud environment.
This helps the user to create a possible new service in all taking open data from different countries, from different cities.
Area. What is, for example, how many pharmacies, banks, post offices, shops, and so on is in this area, schools, whatever. When you want to actually to use this application, you're going to the clips.eu site, and after that you have to do registration, and you can download and use applications. The company, the name Informatica, they are participants in the project, and then they are providing you at the end of the month, they are providing you all utility bills that you have to pay. I mean water, then garbage, light, and so on and so on. The opportunities targeting different stakeholders and to strengthen experience in running pilots and engaging end users. Equivalent services provided in foreign states. How can I, coming from Spain, benefit from these public services that are given to me here? Activities that are putting the focus on this subject of the digital identity management are related to the STORE framework about before, which relies on the electronic identification and authentication area, and its results are being used both in another project called eSAMS.
After the first attestation, the attack will be recognized only when the next attestation will come. So it is most important to perform the attestation several times in order to ensure the freshness. The second aspect of the security layer of Clips is the integration with the European framework for the management of the electronic identity. In particular, in Clips we are talking about STORK, which is the result of the two past projects STORK and STORK 2.0 used inside a country. So this means that if in Italy we accept an authentication based on username and password, it will be automatically recognized. Is the particular attention made to the driver.
And enable users to select among the different choices. Moreover, problems related to data protections and to the release of data. These are the global challenges that we focus on. This is the key ideas update, but what are the problems in this context? Then we have the external cloud services provider that offer the services to be reachable. One note, according to this model, the problem is very too much generic to be fixed, because security is everything.
That neighborhood is small, and if each one of those nets is broken, you have a disaster on your hands. In terms of what we did here was that we did a number of surveys and looked at what was best practice.
Business models and partner ecosystem. These are the core components in order to other successful business models. Are we making business out
cloud.